Well, I finally got started this morning. This is Rick. Today is Tuesday, September 3, 2024. Started a bike ride at 9:45. Little delay. My cadence sensor battery died, so I had to go back inside and replace that. Also, the power meter wasn't registering. I didn't need to replace the battery. I just took the battery out and put it back in, and it seems to be happy now. All this happened on my Canyon Endurace CF7 bike. For the ride this morning, I was watching stage 16 of the Vuelta a España. I hit pause with 62 kilometers to go and some big climbs left, particularly to the finish. I'll finish watching it when I get back. Weather today is 79 degrees. Well, it was when I came outside before going back inside to replace batteries. Humidity was 89%, I think, or 84%? 84%. Dew point was 73. Mostly cloudy, winds out of the northeast at 12 miles an hour. Today's route's going to be kind of the opposite direction of where I went yesterday on the Spring Creek Greenway. This time I'm going to ride east, head to Ramsey Road. I forgot to look up the last time I did this particular route. It's just an extension of when I ride to Huffman. Trying to build up a buffer towards my goal for the month of 866 miles. I'm on Pinehurst Trail Drive. There's FM 1960. I'm standing back here in the shade, waiting for the light to change. No sense standing out there in the sun if we don't need to. I'll be crossing over FM 1960, make a loop through Walden, and then back to FM 1960 to ride east over Lake Houston. 15.5 miles, 59 minutes after 10. Riding through Walden on Hiker's Trail Drive. Up ahead, it's like pouring concrete for a slab for a new house. Not many lots open in Walden, but they found one. 17.3 miles, 7 minutes after 11. Neahawk Lane now. So I continue to make my way back to FM 1960. Headed south on Fair Lake Lane, enjoying some of the shade. Riding east over Lake Houston was into a headwind. Hard work. The legs are pushing the pedals hard. It's going to be like that all the way to Ramsey Road. Looks like they're doing some utility pole work up here. They've had some poles laying on the ground, so I guess it's time to replace them now. After Hurricane Beryl. Entering the S-curve. contractor for CenterPoint Energy. See what's cooking in the S-curve here, not much. Truth Ministries, there's a cyclist there, maybe two. I'm riding on Old Atascocita Road, heading east to FM 2100. .4 miles. Just crossed over FM 2100, continuing east on Old Atascocita Road to Ramsey Road. Starting into the wind. You can see up here these flags. It's enough of a wind to keep the flags out from the flagpole. From FM 2100 to Ramsey Road, it's about 2.5 miles. I may take a rest break when I get to Ramsey Road, pushing into this wind. Probably about 3/10 of a mile to Ramsey Road over there. Grass farm. They're out mowing the grass. How would you like a front yard like that? As big as that. Wind is hard. For a little bit there I could keep the speed up to 14, 15 miles an hour, but once I got out in the open, 12 miles an hour is about all my legs can put out. Ramsey Road. Looks like they finished all of the electric utility pole work. The signs are down. As far as detour, everything. I also cut down all the shade trees. Looks like we got a worker up here doing something. It looks over the bridge too. Maybe they replaced the bridge. I don't think so. Guardrails look pretty much the way they were, but the guardrails right here are new, as well as that bolster there where the guardrail ends, because the county plaque, dedication plaque, is gone. CenterPoint Energy. Intersection of Ramsey Road and Old Atascocita Road that way. There's the canyon. Those are CenterPoint employees down there. They look like they're marking some stuff. I'm not sure what they're doing. You can see those big, massive steel poles. Those are serious poles, particularly these. So I think they should be up to the hurricanes on that. Take a few minutes breather here before I head back west on Old Atascocita Road. 25.4 miles. Let's see what time it is here. It's 47 minutes after 11. Yeah, there's some goats. Replaced horses with goats. Didn't see any cattle up here though. Usually where this metal fence, there's cattle, but don't see any. Must have them moved to a different pasture. Oh, there they are. Enjoying the shade. That's an inland off of Lake Houston. I'm on Atascocita Shores Drive. Riding northwest, maybe. Cross street's going to be Reba Wood to the left. Atascocita Lake Drive to the right.